Hello, my name is Harold Bergeron and I work for GREBIT Solutions. Today we're going to do a presentation on how Esri Maps from Microsoft Dynamics can be used in calculating market penetration and campaign analysis. In this scenario, you currently sell your product to a large retail chain on the West Coast. You want to expand your business across the entire country and want to use your sales data with customer segmentation and demographic data to come up with a potential list of areas you want to tackle first. The following are questions you are trying to answer using your dynamic CRM data and Esri enrichment data that you have brought into your CRM database using Esri's workflow. The first question: what zip codes are my highest selling areas and what is the dominant tapestry? The second: what zip codes have the highest market penetration and how can this help me decide on where to focus my sales efforts? And finally, where are other areas, in this example zip codes, that have the same dominant tapestry across the country? The following is a list of information you have available within your dynamic CRM using Esri and GREBIT solution summary entities. You know where your customers are. You know the top tapestries for each customer. You know the total revenue by tapestry, high and low. You know how many clients you have in each tapestry. You know how many clients, potential clients, you have in each tapestry, again by zip code. You're able to figure out the market penetration by tapestry. In trying to figure out the market penetration, the first place we need to start is in our account entity table. As you notice, we have data enrichment fields that we brought in using the Esri workflow. What I want to look at firstly are where are my highest sales by zip code. In this case here, we're using the GREBIT summary table by zip code to analyze this information. We can look at it two different ways. One of them is in a clustered view or a dot view, if you wish, where red is hot and blue is cold. Or we can also look at it by zip code itself, which is another layer that I've added to this map. As you can see, one way or the other, you can definitely focus your insight on your highest sales area and then start your analysis from there. To find where other similar tapestries are by zip across the country, I simply share my sales data to ArcGIS Online and run a performance analysis on my data to generate a new map layer that shows me all of the other zip codes that have the top tapestries I am looking for to focus on. Once I've created the tapestry map within ArcGIS Online, I can share it within Microsoft Dynamics. So now I'm looking at all my top tapestries that I want to focus on within North America in the leads, in the campaigns I want to start. What I'm going to focus on in this example is a specific campaign for small town simplicity. What I've decided to do in this case is select two states to run my campaign and then analyze the results within a couple of months to see if my campaign based on my tapestry selection was successful. Before I do that, I actually take a look at my market penetration for those tapestries in the California area, as to give me an idea of what I should be expecting once I have achieved this campaign. So in this case here, my market penetration was 0.3%. Going forward a few months, I then start analyzing my leads that were entered in Dynamics at a state level, a zip code level, to see how we've done. So what we're looking at here, it looks like Oklahoma was a very hot campaign, where Ohio was a very cold campaign, if you wish. To do further analysis on this, I actually zoom in to Oklahoma and turn on my analysis campaign by zip. And I can definitely see that I had quite a few hot areas or hot campaign zip codes that I was able to focus on. Now this is one of the questions I asked. So why was I successful in Oklahoma and not in Ohio. So I've brought in what we call a demographic income KPI that again was brought in using Esri's workflow, and I noticed that my income levels were much higher in Oklahoma than they were in Ohio, which again is probably another reason why I was successful in Oklahoma versus Ohio. Now there could be multiple reasons why that is so, but being able to bring in specific demographics for those specific zip codes that you are successful in and start analyzing it against other areas where you've done campaigns and not have been successful is key to using Esri Maps for Microsoft Dynamics and the data enrichment features they have. Thank you for your time, and if you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us at GREBIT Solutions.